questioning my life choices a bit.
Leppington via East Hills. First stop Revesby, then Canania, East Hills, Holsworthy, Glenfield, Edmondson Park, and Leppington.
We have also got a Waratah arriving on platform number 4 for a Leppington via East Hills service at Sydenham. 8:30. Anyway guys, I'm going to be heading to Leppington, so I'm going to be jumping on this train. I will do more of a vlog here when I come back to Sydenham. So yeah, I will see you guys when I get back here later at some point. Hopefully. See ya. I'm arriving back into Sydenham, because I've come back here to get a few more trains. There's a Lidcombe service pulled up on platform 1, and B13, as you can see, going to Leppington. Hasn't departed just yet, I don't think. Oh yeah, now it's departed. But at least I was able to get a camera in this video. And I'm going to stay here and get a good shot of the Leppington service. What I've been after. Waratah Series 2 set B12 arriving into platform 4 at Sydenham for a Leppington service via the East Hills line. An unusual sight to say the least. We'll see a Leppington service via the East Hills at Sydenham Station. Just letting that announcement play, verifying what it is indeed. And that Leppington service via East Hills departing platform 4. Set B12. Bondi Junction service departing platform 3. Redfern is the next stop. And here it is. Waratah Series 2 set B14 for a Leppington via East Hills service. This is an extremely unusual sight, and it is a rare sight to see a Leppington service through here. B14. This is a set of the Leppington via Revesby service. So that train came from the city circle, stopping Central, Redfern and Sydenham. Its next stop will be Revesby, then Panania, East Hills, Holsworthy, Glenfield, Edmondson Park and Leppington. And yeah, as I just said, it is an extremely rare sight to see a Leppington service pass here at Wolli Creek. And a Leppington via Sydenham and the East Hills line. It's an unusual stopping pattern, and I love unusual stopping patterns. Sorry, it's like my weird obsession. Some people have weird obsessions over timetabling, and you know, some have obsessions over like the steam train side of it or the set number side of things. My side of things is odd timetabling. I love me odd timetabling, and I love learning the stopping patterns. So having weird stopping patterns like that and weird routing numbers really interests me. So yeah,